Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to get capes on your Minecraft skin. And I MBB or MCP Busboy. I already changed my name. And yeah, so I'm going to show you how to get capes on your skin in Minecraft. So all you gotta do is to have ES File Explorer, and also the file is custom capes. I don't know, I don't want to be copyrighted. That's why I'm just gonna leave the link in the below. I don't want to show it in here because I don't want to be copyrighted. I'm not gonna say it, but I will show it here also. But I will also show the download description in the Mediafire. So yeah, so all you gotta do is to go to ES File Explorer, and then go to downloads, or go to where you saved your file. So here it is. Hold tap it, like this. Hold tap it, and then it shows a check sign. Make sure if it shows a check sign, take off your hand and then go to more and then extract to. And then if you see this thing here, you gotta go to it, inside it, and then go to custom capes. And then if you see here a Steve thing here, delete that, and then go where your skin is. So where I saved it is in pictures. Here it is. And then make sure I forgot to tell you guys, but make sure you rename your skin into develpng.png, because it won't work if you don't do that. So I already did it, so make sure you copy that. Copy the internal storage, downloads, go to the file where it was, and go here and go here, and then paste. And then if it's done, go back, and then hold tap it again, and then compress it. Make sure you put here like this. Wait, if you hold tap it, hold tap this, and then press more, and then compress. You can see here a sign or something like that. Make sure you do like this. Press the rename button or something like that. Not a rename button, but just press the title button. Not a button, but the title. So yeah, and then type there .mcpack, and then next, and then no need for passwords. Okay, so and then okay. Start compressing until you are done. You gotta go to this again, and then rename it. Rename it, I meant. And then do like this, done. And then it'll show like this, it'll change like this. And then if you press it, you'll go to Minecraft already. So just wait. So guys, I'm gonna pause this for a while because it'll take a long time to go to my Minecraft or launch my Minecraft. So yeah, I'm gonna pause it. Okay guys, back here. So if you already launched Minecraft just a while ago, it showed a site called imported, completed. Or it'll show an import thingy in top here, like in top here, like in top of this Minecraft thingy sign there, and then after that it'll show an import complete, meaning it's done. But if it says import failed, that means you didn't do it properly. So I already have it around here. So go to your skin pack, something like that, and then you can see here my Minecraft skin is already having this. So all you gotta do is to press confirm, and then here it is. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out. Test it. And then easy, and bonus, and then creative. Okay, and then create. So yeah, it'll take a while. Just wait, guys. I'm just gonna test this. And guys, I don't know if it works on multiplayer, but I will soon notice that in maybe next time, maybe like that. But that's how you should do that. Make sure you follow my instructions correctly, or else it won't work. But like this, it won't work. Actually though, it will work, but my Minecraft doesn't support that much. But it will work because I've tested it a while ago. So I'm gonna pause it again. And guys, I'm already done. So failed, it shows there a failed thingy because it's already done. So I'm just gonna continue. and then I'm already done doing that, and then go to my world. I mean 0.1 MB. So I'm just gonna wait here, loading resource packs. First, yeah, you can change your game. I don't understand. I don't like it. Harvest fruits from pigs, cows, sheep, rabbit, and will stop the flow completely. Okay, started in the world. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to test it out. Settings, and then videos, and then turn back. And you can see here, guys, it worked perfectly. But I don't know if it works on multiplayer. Maybe it'll work, maybe not, but I hope so it'll work. So you can see here it does that. And guys, maybe next time I will show you how to change your own cape. And just like that, it just removed because it just made my tab lagged. So I'm gonna delete this. But guys, I'm just gonna show this tutorial to you guys. I'm not gonna use the cape because it might distract you guys from my video. So yeah, so I'm so sorry guys, but still soon in the next video, or not in the next video, maybe, that I will show you how to change your cape or make your own cape. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I hope you subscribe to me and like, guys, and please sure to share this to anyone to support me, guys. Please support me, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.